Becoming a trendsetter, mastering the art of leading trends. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about innovation and influence. Let's explore being a trendsetter. Whether you're learning English for fun, work, or travel, understanding phrases like this can really spice up your conversation skills. Be a trendsetter is an idiomatic expression in English. It refers to someone who starts a new trend or style that others follow. Trendsetters are often seen as innovative, influential, and ahead of their times. They don't just follow what's popular. They create what becomes popular. Let's look at some examples. Fashion. A designer who introduces a new clothing style that becomes widely popular. Technology. An innovator who creates a new gadget or app that changes how we live. Music. An artist who brings a new genre or sound to the mainstream. These examples show that trendsetters can be found in any area of life. Being a trendsetter is not just about being famous or popular. It's about having a significant impact on society or a particular field. Trendsetters often inspire others, leading to new ideas and innovations. To use this phrase effectively, you can say things like, "She's a trendsetter in fashion, always a step ahead with her designs." In technology, being a trendsetter means constantly innovating. Notice how the phrase is used to describe someone's influential role in setting new trends. It's important to understand the difference. Trendsetters initiate new ideas and styles. Followers adopt these ideas and styles after they become popular. This distinction is key in understanding the unique role of a trendsetter. So, aspiring English speakers, remember, being a trendsetter is all about leading the way with new, innovative ideas. It's a powerful phrase that captures the essence of influence and creativity. We hope this video helps you understand and use "be a trendsetter" confidently in your conversations. Keep exploring the nuances of the English language, and you'll soon be setting trends in your language learning journey.